Okay, hello. So I'm going to show you on this video quickly some tips of how you can make translating strings that have been changed just slightly easier. So and maybe give some other tips too. So let's go. I have opened Transifex from Finnish, and let's go here. We already we jumped into this untranslated tab here, and what we can see here is that there are some strings that are completely new, but there are also some strings that are actually not quite new. They have been just changed slightly. So let's see. For example, here we can see from this right panel some earlier translations or two suggestions. So let's see what has actually changed from this, because it gives 99% match. So difference. So we can see that only this one word has been changed, and it is a capitalization of Bible word here. What we can do is to use this translation from here, click this button, and we will get the earlier translation here. And as we can see in Finnish, there is nothing that we need to change because Bible is already capitalized, and of course it is depending on language, etc. how it should be. But anyway, so we got rid of this long string very quickly, and we don't need to do much work for that. Similarly, here again, show difference with source. We can see that okay, there are only these words that have been changed. Bible, 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 Bible. And we can again use this like this. And then also for other words, there are often these suggestions. But yeah, I'm not talking about that anymore, but let's go to see some other things. First of all, this is important. Many strings, especially in new strings that I have been adding in this new release, I have been adding this kind of string instructions, and please read them, and they give often some tips about the string, particular string, and try to give a little bit context how it is used. So not all strings have them, but some do, and in those cases that they have string instructions, please read them and use them.